Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Midori browser on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so what is Midori? Midori is a lightweight open source web browser. Okay, so to install this we have to follow these three steps. Okay, so first of all we have to open the terminal. Okay, so let me adjust the window size of this file. Okay guys, so in order to open the terminal, go to your desktop, right click on this and then click on this open terminal. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this terminal opened. You can also open this terminal by using another method. So let me close this. Okay guys, so in order to open the terminal by using another method, you have to press Ctrl Alt T key on your keyboard. I am pressing that, and you can see guys, here we have this terminal opened. Okay, so let me adjust the window size of this also. Okay guys, so here we have this terminal opened and here we have this file. Okay, so the step 1 is done. Step 2, if you don't have this snap installed, you have to install it by using this command. Okay, so the command is sudo apt install snapd. Okay, so just go to your terminal and type this command, sudo apt install snapd, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your administrative password. After that hit enter, and you can see guys, I already have this snap installed. You can see snapd is already the newest version. Okay, so if you don't have this installed, you can install it by using this command. Okay, and after that guys, you can install Midori by using this command. Okay, so the command is sudo snap install Midori. Okay, so just go to your terminal and type this command, sudo space snap space install space Midori. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard, and you can see guys, here you can see download snap Midori from channel stable. So it's downloading this, so just wait. Okay guys, you can see that it's installed. Okay, so in order to open the Midori web browser, so let me close this terminal. Okay guys, let me minimize this file. Okay guys, so in order to open the Midori browser, you have to click on this show applications at the bottom left. Okay, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for Midori. Okay, and here we have this Midori web browser. Click on it. It's opening, and you can see guys, here we have this Midori web browser opened. Okay, so let me maximize this. Okay guys, you can see, and here we have the address bar. If I go to google.com, let's see whether it's opening or not. You can see guys, it's working fine. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily install Midori web browser on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.